Terrell Jones here, founder of Productive Academy LLC, and today we're talking about how do you get yourself mentally prepared in order to do the things that you need to do for your business outside of work. One of the biggest struggles that I see entrepreneurs make, that's, let's say you incorporate, working a 9 to 5, you go to work working hard all day, right? No matter what time. It doesn't necessarily have to be during the day, during the night, but whatever. You have a job and you're working hard. At the same time, you like, you know what, there's another level of life, so I want to be able to generate income doing this, right? I work a lot with speakers and coaches, right? So let's say you want to come home and you got to impact some lives. You got to look for some speeches. You got to go, coach some clients that you have, or maybe go find certain clients, and maybe you got to do some posting on social media. But you got to do some activity to build your business after work. Have you ever found yourself in a place where you come home and you're too tired to do work? You're like, you know what? I'm tired. It's been a long day at work. I just want to sit back, relax. I just want to grab something to eat. I just want to get a cold beer. I just want to get some tea. I just want to watch some TV and just chill. And I get that. I understand, because that's been me for many years, trying to build a business. I've been an entrepreneur for the past 10 years, but I never really could get my foot in and try to figure out why I'm not making the progress that I want to make, why I'm not making the money that I want to make, why I'm not living the type of lifestyle that I want to live. And whether you want to quit your daytime job or not. Some people want to go full time into their business. Some people just want to be able to say, I just want to make a nice side income while I'm still working my business. And there's a few things that I see that most people don't get to that place to where they're generating any income or making a progress that they want to make. And that's what we're going to touch on in this business. I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do that's going to allow you to go to the next level in your business, whether you come home tired, you come home angry, you come home in some state that's not going to that makes you feel like you don't want to go put in that work. Very first thing is making sure that you get yourself in the energy level and attitude level that you need to do to go serve, right? A lot of times we come home and we're tired because maybe we had a big lunch, or we just tired from doing all the work, maybe sitting in front of a computer screen all day. And if you don't put yourself in a space mentally to actually go do the thing, then you're not going to want to actually go do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's been plenty of times where I came home and I said, I don't feel like shooting any videos, or I don't feel like going live. But I said, you know what, I got to do something. So I did some jumping jacks, do some deep breathing exercises, do some push-ups if you need to, whatever you need to do in order to get your mind in a state to go do that. So a lot of people think you have to think about something in order to feel something first or something. But if you want to actually feel a certain type of way, the best thing for you to do is go do some physical exercise. And then do something that's going to allow you to get your brains going and get your cells going, so you can be able to go out into the world and you can deliver the things that you need to deliver. Because it might not just be energy for your business. It may also be the energy that you need to play with your family, with your kids. It might be the energy that you need to get up and go to the gym. You know what I mean? So it's important that you get yourself in a mental state, because at the end of the day, the goal is to be real. The goal is really you to get the goal accomplished, right? Like, you got to do the thing. It doesn't matter how you feel. So if it doesn't matter how you feel, okay, and I know I want to get this thing done, okay, what do I need to do to get myself in a mental state psychologically that's going to allow me to go do it? So that's the very first thing. Whatever that needs to do for you. For me, what energizes me? So what energizes me is speaking to people. So I might get on the phone, or I might talk to some people that's in the area, in the house. I might talk to my wife. What gets me in the mood? Doing some jumping jacks. What gets me in the mood? Bouncing in place. What gets me in the mood? Deep breathing. What gets me in the mood? Just moving, doing some type of physical movement gets me in the mood. Second thing, you coming in, you're not feeling like you want to go to that next level in regards to your business, or do what you need to do to grow it. Second thing I would say is be intentional about what you want. Or be intentional and say, okay, I know I'm tired right now, and you have to literally say this to yourself. It can be out loud. You might say, all right, I know that I'm tired right now, and on my agenda, I'm supposed to spend 30 minutes calling clients. Okay. Okay, let me make sure. Why is this important? Because this is important because I want to be able to impact lives. This is important because I want to be able to, be able to. If I don't do this, I'm not going to generate the income that I want. If I don't do this, I'm not going to have my family's not going to be able to live the lifestyle that they want to live. If I don't do this, there's not going to be somebody who's going to go out who's going to see this video. One of the things that helped me is like not all the time I feel like shooting videos, right? But what helps me sometimes is, okay, I know that there's somebody who's gonna see this video that this is gonna transform them. I know that somebody's gonna see this and they're gonna see me in person and say, you know what, Terrell, you've been changing my life. I haven't been commenting. I'm sorry I haven't been liking like that, but you know what? I just been sort of sitting behind the scenes, just watching, just learning, just being inspired. It's going to be somebody that says, you know what, your videos are fire, bro. And, I've been telling this person about it. I've been telling this person to come watch your videos. I've been sharing it. I've been taking this link, right? Which you should take the link and share it if you see somebody who really needs this content that we're talking about. And they say, I've been sharing it with people. And that's what's going to help take them to the next level. And that's going to help take not only them to the next level, but it's going to help take you to the next level because I know that I'm doing this for a bigger purpose. So that's the second thing. Just be intentional in your mind after you get the physical thing done. Then be intentional in your mind. And then the third thing that I would say in regards to really just trying to get yourself in a mental state of just doing what you need to do is, it's going to sound real simple, but just jump in and do it. Just jump in and do it. It's not always going to be perfect the way you do it, but the thing is, it's better to make a decision and live with that decision and make it work outside of wavering in that decision. Should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I wait? And then the longer you wait, and you know this for a fact that the longer you wait, the more likely that you're not going to do it, right? So you want to make sure, because what happens is we tend to wait and say, well, should I do it? Should I not do it? I don't know. Let me look through my phone. Let me scroll. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. Let me go get something to eat. Let me go talk on the phone. Let me go on Facebook, right? And we do all these things and it wastes so much time that we don't end up doing the thing that we need to do. So just do it. Just say, all right, I'm just going to make the decision to do it. And when you just make the decision to do it, whether it comes out good, bad, or indifferent, you got it done. Now, it's a funny thing about humans is because as soon as you start doing the thing you need to do, whether it's on that phone call, whether it's shooting that video, whether it's posting on social media, whatever it is for your business, once you start getting an emotion of doing it, you've heard it, what? Motion creates emotion, right? So once you start getting into it, then you're going to start feeling yourself, and then you're going to get into the mood of actually wanting to do it, and you're going to want to do your best at it, all right? So those are the three things that I would really say that you need to do to get yourself in a state mentally to go to that next level. 1, do some kind of physical movement. 2, make sure that you're intentional before you jump into it. And why? What's your motivation? Who's counting on you? There's somebody that's counting on you. Who is that? Think about that. Think about you letting them down if you don't do it. And then the third thing is just do it. Just go out, just get into it and get it done at the end of the day. All right? Because a lot of times these things is not the biggest deal in the world, but what's more important than you getting it perfect that day is your psychology of, I'm a person that doesn't miss. I'm a person that is consistent. The more you inconsistent, the more you'll be inconsistent. And the more you're inconsistent with building your business, you can guess what's going to happen. All right? So if you like this video, go ahead and take the link and share it. Share it to somebody else who you feel like is struggling right now, who may be working a daytime job that they're not particularly passionate about, and they really want to build this business that they are passionate about, but they're not finding the motivation to do it. Take the link and share it with them. Text it to them. And then also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can get the notifications. Most people don't know, if you don't hit the subscribe button, when I come out with new videos, which I'm doing weekly, you're not gonna get the video when I drop it. So make sure that you hit that subscribe as well so you get the new videos. All right. So remember, stay focused, and every minute matters, and you're fused to be average.